Mecherath. Mecherath is the only software that documents the entire RRP process, mandated by the EPA. Navigate to your agreement and the RRP tab. One of the first things you'll notice, you can use Mecherath as a documentation tool and as an RRP checklist. The first tab, Exempt, allows you to keep track of every property that you work on to document that it was built before or after 1978, or if it's a whole house exemption, and of course, emergency work. Pre-notification allows you to assign a primary certificate holder to run your project, which automatically populates their certificate number and expiration date. If there are minor children and you need to document for a guardian, fill these fields in prior to printing your 60-day notification. In Setup, continues your checklist, going item by item to make sure you didn't forget something that's required. Print and post your working in progress signs for a single tenant or multi-unit. Designed for the iPad, it's a perfect tool for the field. Place it in an extra large Ziploc baggie, and you've created the containment requirement to protect your tool for viewing and updating while you're in the field. Cleanup, again, is a nice checklist to make sure that you haven't missed a step. Clean verification is that final checklist, making sure that you document properly all the way through to the end, listing the certified RRP responsible, along with the expiration date and each additional trained worker. Documentation and mail will complete your record-keeping process, with the signature line for the certified person, including a date that it was completed. Print or email your record-keeping checklist as required by the rule to the owner or guardian, with a checkbox to confirm delivery. This concludes the documentation required by the RRP rule for this project. Additionally, you are required to keep and maintain the project records. Mecherath does that in a summary report. Mecherath will list all the projects as no entry, exempt, or documented. Each record can be printed individually or as a group saved as a PDF in your chosen date range. We welcome you to join one of our online trainings, get more familiar with Mecherath, and help it to become one of the most valuable tools in your business.